Imagine a country without order. No one to interpret the Constitution. No one to settle controversy between states. No one to settle controversy between states and citizens. No one to settle controversy between citizens of different states, or between citizens of the same state, etc.
It would be one crazy mess.
But fortunately for you, the citizens of the United States of America, and Gabe, who's not a citizen yet, we have the third article of the Constitution.
Hello, my name is Samuel Alito, and I worked my way up the ladder to become a judge in the United States Supreme Court. I was appointed by the esteemed George W. Bush in 2005. I am going to tell you why you need the United States Constitution. Third article, that is.
And I am Ruth Bader Ginsburg. I used my smarts to move on up. I was appointed to the Supreme Court in 1993 by Bill Clinton. Even Alito here and I can agree that the fact that the Supreme Court is absolutely necessary. And Alito and I don't agree on much, that's for sure.
Hello, I am Levy Woodbury, and I'm not sure how I got here. Oh dear. Anyway, James K. Polk appointed me to the Supreme Court in January 1846. As is common, I served until my death. I died 156 years ago. But let me tell you something. The third article is so important that I rose from the dead to tell you, the students of Mr. Miller's U.S. history class, why it is so important.
Welcome home, Woodbury.
Thank you.
So you may ask why the Supreme Court is of such great importance.
I'll take it from here, Ginsburg. It's because the court is the nation's highest judicial authority. Once it decides on a constitutional question, all the lower courts in the United States are expected to follow the decision in similar cases.
As the Constitution clearly states in Article 3, Section 2, in all cases affecting ambassadors, other public ministers, and consuls, and those in which a state shall be party, the Supreme Court shall have original jurisdiction.
So true, but do not forget how important it is that the Constitution outlines that trial of all crime, except in the cases of impeachment, shall be by jury. This is only fair, right, Ginsburg?
That's true.
And Alito?
It's only fair.
And to make it super duper fair, the trial shall be held in the state where the crime was committed. This seems like a pretty good deal. Or, as you silly people in 2000 say, whatever it is now, say, a wicked, awesome, hella tight deal.
If you ever need to sue your boss for making you stand out in 90-degree weather wearing a Batgirl costume and holding a sign, your trial would be in your own lovely state.
Your very own.
Not convinced yet? Ginsburg, Alito, I call a huddle, Patriot style, to show them.
What do you think you're doing? You should be you didn't throw to me. You must be conspiring with the other team. You should be tried for treason. Tisk tisk in front of all the football-loving, football-attending fans.
Hold it right there, Alito. No person shall be convicted of treason unless on the testimony of two witnesses to the same overt act. Clearly, Woodbury wasn't paying attention, and you were the only witness.
Oh yes. This law is clearly in place to protect your rights, America.
You know why I think the third article is so great?
Why?
Because it's so clear. It makes sure that there's no confusion over who has the power to preside over certain matters. Just look it up.
So true.
And you know what's even better? We can even be impeached if we misbehave. Article 3, Section 1 states, the judges both of the Supreme and inferior court shall hold the offices during good behavior.
That means if we're bad, we can be kicked out! Yay!
So you see, the third article is absolutely vital. Our product is your product, America. If you ever need to appeal your case, the Supreme Court is the way to go. Note that not all cases appealed are accepted in the Supreme Court. In fact, very few are. Good luck. P.S. We are still vital for the other reasons listed above.